Hello class, right, today I have decided to do a little video to show you how you do the mean and standard deviation on your basic calculator. Just for now while waiting for the other one. So what you have to do is you have to use some buttons that you never used before. So you go to setup, so there's mode and setup, so this little button up here. And you've got 4 different things that you could use. Obviously we're doing something to do with statistics, we're going to press the number 2. Then you're going to see all this mumble jumble stuff, which frankly you probably will never see or really understand. All we're interested in is the top one, which is 1. So I'm going to press the number 1. And you're going to get this data. Now, if it asks you to find the standard deviation of just single values, so discrete values, that's all we have to worry about. But in some cases, it may ask you to find it where you've got a frequency and the mean. Now, to work this out, you have to go to Shift and Setup. And you get all these different values. We're not interested in any of them. We have to just press this little arrow back down, and we want the stats mode. So we're going to press the stats mode, and it asks you to put the frequency on or off. We're going to have it on just so that you get used to seeing it. So now you can see you've got your X values and then your frequency. So if you ever get anything that's more than just your values, we can use it. So I'm just going to start off basic with us today. We're going to put 5 in, 7 in, 9 in, and then we're going to keep pressing equals each time, 11 and 13. I'm going to press equals again. Now as you can see, is if we go up, because I've only put 1 of each value in, the frequency is 1 all the way down, which is fine because that's what we want. Now this is classed apparently the scary parts, because what happens if you have to press the AC button? So you press it, it's disappeared. Not it's all lost. What's actually happened is the data has actually stored in your little calculator for it to be processed. Now for us to actually use this data, we're going to go to Shift, and then this little button down here says STA, so just above your number 1, something that you've probably never even taken notice of before, but we're going to take notice of it now. And you've got all these different things. You've got type, data, sum, var or min-max. We're just interested in this one today, the variance. So we're going to press the number 4. And then you get 4 different things that you can do. N meaning the number piece of data. So for this instance, we've got 5. 2 x bar, which is the mean, which we're going to use. The standard deviation, which is the third one. This little sign here is theta. It's a Greek alphabet. All you just need to know is always use 3 or 2. So to work out the mean, we're just going to press 2 and equals, and our answer is 9. That makes sense. Our answers are 5, 7, 9, 11 or 12. So that makes sense. If I then want to find the standard deviation, I go back to Shift, I just press and then 1. I go back to my variance, which is 4. And this time I'm going to use 3. Now you're really lucky. In your statistics uses and maths course, data analysis, we only need to be able to use this for us to actually work out some questions. So we're going to go press the 3, press equals, and our answer is 2.828427125. Round to 2 decimal places, sorry, it's 2.83. Bye class.